Hey guys, it's Paul back with another Happy Me project. As you know, training as we build this training website for happyme.com. I'm going to be talking about training, which platform I recommend, and what I'm going to use, and then we'll build on from that because I'm going to choose a WordPress platform, WordPress hosting. So basically, I've Googled best online training, so let's see what comes up. So Skillshare, Learncraft, Thinkific. Best of what's this? This is going to give me a list. So this is all other people's courses. So basically, you put their course. So you've basically you can use somebody else's platform, build out your training on their platform, use a specific training platform. So basically something like Lynda or Udemy is you putting your training on their website. Something like Thinkific, Teachable, new Kajabi, Rainmaker is you building your training on somebody else's platform, but it's your training. So what do I mean? So if you were going to do it on, is it Udemy? You would add your training to their website. You would put their course, so it would always be udemy.com. It would always be their training, but you're going to add and sell your training, which is cool. But are you making your own network? Are you creating your own community? I'm not sure. I've never gone into Udemy stuff. I'm not sure what the split profit share is, how much it costs to put something on there. I mean, become an instructor. How it works: transform, expert, create, teach, earn serious money, and you'll build your brand. So course creation, trust. There's probably pricing. I haven't gone into Udemy because I don't recommend, for what you're probably watching this, that you're gonna do it on there. If you're doing a one-off training or you want to build your name, you might do it on there. But it seems cool. Teachable is a different platform where you're going to put your training on there, but what you will do is you will probably have a unbranded website. So basically remove Teachable branding from your website, so it won't say Teachable. It wouldn't be happyme.teachable.com. It would be happyme.com still, happy-me.com. Whereas if you paid $39 a month, you would have it would be something like, you'd have to have your own website and then point them to Teachable, training.teachable. And whether you're going to blog or whether you're going to do sales pages and stuff like that is a bigger question, because you still need a website to host sales pages, and you would still need to push sales pages somewhere. So you still need a website. So then there's new Kajabi, which is really cool. New Kajabi. And this is everything from the blog, from the landing page, marketing emails. Like it says, it's your entire website. And if you're not geek orientated, then it's probably a good starting point for you. Pricing wise, I mean, they're looking at 103, but for 5 products. So basically, for 5 courses, you're and 1,000 marketing emails a month, 1 user, 1 site, 25 landing pages. But they're not charging you for transactions. They'll take care of all the money. It's pretty cool. It's just that 5 products really puts me off, because if you're building separate training and you want more than 5 courses, then your next step up is $300 a month, and that's if you pay annually. It's $390 a month if you pay monthly. So everything people have said about Kajabi is really cool. And if you're just starting out and you don't know what you're doing, but my theory with Kajabi, and Rainmaker's another one. Rainmaker gets a decent. I doubt it's rainmaker.com. Rainmaker training. Is it you put in your Rainmaker coaching? Oh, I don't know if that's it either. Where is it? WordPress. So this is a WordPress training platform that's hosted by somebody else, and they do all the grunt work. Welcome to new Rainmaker training course. So it is this. So it's rainmaker.fm, I guess. Featured show. Oh, I don't even know for that. So I can't even find it. But there's one called Rainmaker, and that's a WordPress training course platform. So things like Teachable, things like Kajabi, things like Rainmaker, and there's others. There's plenty of people. You're putting your courses on somebody else's platform, so they could pull the plug on you any moment, and the fees are quite high too. So if you look at something like Kajabi, like we just said, it was $300 a month. If you wanted, say you wanted 10 training courses, it's going to cost you $300 a month. So it does get pricier, but it will save you time, and it will, you know, it's $3.90 a month if you want 100 products, but then you can have 3 different sites, and for me that gets pricey. But it depends what you're selling, what you value your time as, and how technical you are. So I personally, with Blue Jeans Media, and this is what I'm going to use with, and what I'm going to use for Happy Me is Learndash. So if we go to, so you see Learndash, it's a community-driven website. It's got groups, forums, but that's BuddyPress. But between Learndash and Social Learner, this theme, BuddyPress and BBPress, you can add all sorts of things to your website. And there's already on Blue Jeans Media, there's like nearly 60 training courses. So that would make sense to me, that if I wanted to put so many mini training courses, then I'd use, I use Learndash. The other option I believe in WordPress is Sensei, which is a WooCommerce option. So if I go to Learndash, you know, you can go through the info as people will. Pricing is, because that's all most people care about, $159, and if you get special offer, I think this special offer runs 24/7, 20% off. It's going to cost you $159 for 10 sites, or $130 for one. So for me, I've got Blue Jeans Media, and then I've got Happy Me. So I've paid $159 for a year to get the full Learndash experience, and that's it. That's all they've ever charged me. They haven't charged me for any extras. Whereas Sensei, what is it? WooCommerce, right? So WooCommerce platform. I don't know if that was an advert. I should have. I've just cost somebody some money. Oh man. But Sensei. Docs WooCommerce. So Sensei is extension, get started. It's a WooCommerce thing. I don't even know how to get to that pricing. Let me go to just WooCommerce itself. Oh man. But what I feel with WooCommerce is there's always extras, and there's always quite expensive extras. So features for developer, extension, customer. Oh man. Store owners, developers. So I can't even find it. Maybe they've stopped even. I'm pretty sure they haven't. But subscriptions, extensions. Let's go all. Third party store management, shipping, marketing, free. So I can't even find it, but I don't even know how much it is. So it feels like they created a training platform on top of their e-commerce stuff, and it's probably cool. I have used it, and it is easy to use, but I find that Learndash is everything you need on your own site, and there's no hidden fees. It's unlimited courses, unlimited users. You know, it's everything you need for training without any sort of glass ceilings, any sort of, oh, now you've got to 10 courses, you've got to pay us another $70 a month, or you've got to pay for whatever, and they have their own support, and they're really good. So what I'm going to do is build happy-me.com out of a, same as Blue Jeans Media, it's going to be a WordPress website. It's going to be a social learner theme. So I'm going to go social learner theme. I think it's Buddy Boss. No, probably is. So yeah, social learner theme. So I'm going to use this theme. So again, I've already paid for it. So where's the pricing? Oh, there's a big green button at the top that says pricing options. For 5 sites, $229. Single site is $179. But it's a really cool way to get the theme that you want, that you know works on mobile, that you know works with BuddyPress, and BuddyPress basically turns your website into a Facebook type site where you can write a status. You know, you can put in new training courses coming today, and you can post it, and you know it's basically a Facebook type social network. So you're going to build a Learndash training on a social learner platform, on a BuddyPress social network. Turns your website into a social network, and BBPress for forums. There's going to be forums. So Blue Jeans Media is still pretty new, so it's still quiet, but it is slowly growing. So that's what I'm going to use in the next video in this series. I'm going to say, so now I've chosen a WordPress website, I'm going to talk about WordPress hosting and what I believe you should use. Because there's a lot of great hosting, but I'll show you why I choose who I do. So that'll be in the next video. So any questions, leave a comment below. I know that was a bit garbled because it was sort of started off in a you know, maybe I didn't give you enough information. So leave me a question below, and I can always jump in and help and give you a quick demo if you need one, if I do a video for you. All right, so have a great day. Cheers. See you soon.